Hello everyone, I'm Mr. English Teacher. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share a really effective English study routine with you. The program is called the Daily 10-Minute English Practice. Yes, you heard that right, just 10 minutes. But when you do it consistently, your speaking will get faster, words will come out more naturally, and you'll feel much more confident every time you speak. It sounds simple, right? Well, it really is. But this method is exactly what helps so many people move from I understand but I can't speak to I can speak comfortably and understand easily. I hope this video already caught your attention. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's get into it. Step 1. Why does 10 minutes work? Most people think studying English means sitting at a desk for hours without moving. But here's the truth. The brain doesn't learn a language through long, tiring sessions. It learns through short but consistent practice. And that's the big point most people miss. So with just 10 minutes a day, you will get much better results than studying 1 or 2 hours once a week. Because with short daily practice, your brain switches into English mode. It builds word connections faster. It understands patterns more easily, and your speaking confidence grows naturally. So even though 10 minutes looks small, if you do this for 1 to 2 months, you'll clearly see your English level improve. Step 2. The 10-minute daily practice routine. I can already hear you saying, "Teacher, I want to do a 10-minute routine, but I don't know how. Can you show me the steps?" Of course, here is the simple routine I prepared for you. Minute 1 to 2. Active listening. Find a simple English content, a short video, a podcast, or a small dialogue. The important thing is that you understand about 80% of it, but while listening, don't translate, don't check words, don't pause. Just listen. Focus on how people speak. Feel the rhythm of English. Minute 3 to 4. Shadowing technique. My followers already know I have many videos about shadowing. You can find them on my channel. Shadowing means repeating exactly what you hear in the video, out loud, at the same time. For 2 minutes, imitate the pronunciation, the intonation, the rhythm. Try to speak just like the person in the video. It may feel strange at first, but you'll get used to it very quickly. Minute 5 to 6. Personalization. Now we take what we heard and make it our own. For example, if the video says, "I wake up early," you can change it. "I wake up at 7. I wake up late on weekends." This turns passive knowledge into active speaking. It becomes your sentence. Minute 7 to 8. Free speaking talk for 2 minutes about anything. What you did yesterday, what you're doing today, your plans for tomorrow, or what's happening around you right now. The goal here is not perfection, it's flow. You need to push your brain to think in English without stopping. Minute 9 to 10. Quick self-evaluation. Ask yourself, which expressions were easy? Where did I get stuck? Which words couldn't I say? You don't need to write anything, just think. This helps the brain organize information and get ready for tomorrow's practice. And the next day, you repeat this exact 10-minute routine, then again and again. I personally do this every day, and I've seen the results. The big question: can you really become fluent with only 10 minutes? My answer: absolutely yes. Here's why. Consistency builds confidence. Small sentences repeated daily become big progress. Your brain loves routine. It learns faster with short, repeated exposure. Daily speaking boosts fluency. Even 2 minutes a day trains your brain to think and speak faster. Personalization makes learning permanent. When you adapt a sentence to your own life, you never forget it. The 3 most common mistakes students make. Mistake 1. Skipping days. Studying one day, then skipping 2 or 3 days destroys your progress. If you don't have time, even 5 minutes is enough. Just don't skip the day. Mistake 2. Waiting to be perfect. Many people say, I'll start speaking when I'm perfect, and they never start. You don't need perfection, just start. Improvement comes later. Mistake 3. Studying without emotion. The brain doesn't learn boring things. Include your hobbies, dreams, and personal stories. Once your brain feels connected emotionally, learning becomes permanent. Final message. To achieve fluent English, you don't need to be perfect. There is no magic book coming to save you. You don't need to memorize grammar for hours. Just give 10 minutes every day. If you start today, in 1 week you will feel the difference, at least in your confidence. And after 6 months, you will be proud of yourself. All right, friends, we've reached the end of another video. I'm Mr. English Teacher. Until the next one, take care and goodbye.